Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Quiz Parrot. Get ready for a fun logo sound challenge. Some will be easy, while others might really test your memory. You'll have 30 challenges to solve, with just 10 seconds for each one. Every correct answer earns you 1 point. If you enjoy the challenge, hit like, subscribe to Quiz Parrot, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Here's the first challenge. Can you guess this iconic logo by the sound? That's right, it's Netflix. Let's see if you can recognize this famous brand sound. Make your guess before it's too late. You got it, it's McDonald's. Listen closely. Do you know which logo this sound belongs to? The answer is Nokia. Here comes another one. Which logo sound did you hear? It's PlayStation. Can you recognize this sound? You are running out of time. That's Cocomelon. Take a quick break from the sounds. Which Cocomelon logo looks different from the others? Nice catch! You found the odd Cocomelon logo. Ready for another sound challenge? What logo comes to mind? The answer is Intel. This one should sound familiar. Can you name the logo? It's Windows. Listen carefully. Which famous movie studio does this sound belong to? That's 20th Century Studios. Think you know this iconic sound? Give it your best guess. You got it, it's Apple. Here's a tricky one. Can you recognize this famous audio logo? The answer is Angry Birds. Time for a memory test. Take a good look at the mascots. Now, which mascot was changed from the lineup? Great memory! Mr. Peanut replaced the Duolingo mascot. Let's turn the volume up. Can you figure out this brand? It's NBC. Do you recognize this sound? Think carefully before you answer. That's Samsung. Here's another one. Can you name it? The answer is Cartoon Network. Having fun? Hit subscribe and keep playing! Here comes another famous brand sound. What's your guess? It's MasterCard. I know this one, but do you? You guessed it, Coca-Cola. Another challenge is coming up. Choose your favorite drink. Hurry up! Time is limited. If you choose Red Bull, like this video. If you choose Coke, subscribe to this channel. If you choose the mystery drink, comment below with your favorite drink. Back to the sounds. Which popular app does this sound belong to? It's TikTok. Listen closely to this one. Can you recognize this logo? And the answer is Disney. Here's another one. Which logo sound did you hear? That's Audi. Can you recognize this classic sound? You got it! It's Universal Pictures! This one might be a little tougher. Which studio does this sound belong to? It's Paramount Pictures. Can you recognize this logo? You got it! It's Manchester United! Here's another logo sound. You are running out of time. The answer is Toca Boca.
Toca boca.
Listen closely. Do you know which logo this sound belongs to? That's right, it's Warner Brothers. Can you identify this one? Hurry up! Time is limited! And there you have it! It's Duolingo! Here's a quick shadow challenge. Which pose matches the silhouette? You've got a few seconds. Choose carefully. And the correct pose is number 3. Did you get it? Do you recognize this familiar brand sound? That's right, it's LG. And here's your final logo sound. Can you name this brand? We're about to reveal it. It's Cadbury. You made it all the way to the end. How many logos did you recognize, and what was your final score? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, hit that like button, subscribe to Quiz Parrot, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next quiz. Thanks for playing, and I'll see you in the next one.